हेलो 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 एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक। एक बार और आपका स्वागत है मेरे इस बहुत बेहतरीन वीडियो पे। आज मैं आपको बताने वाला हूँ कि एआई कितना क्रेजी काम कर रहा है। मैं बहुत दिनों से ये टूल यूज कर रहा हूँ जिसका नाम है गूगल एआई स्टूडियो। ये हर एक चीज जो आप सीख रहे हो, जिस तरीके से आप पढ़ रहे हो, जैसे समझ रहे हो, उसको चेंज करने वाला है। ज्यादा बकवास ना करते हुए चलते हैं हम ये एआई स्टूडियो के अंदर। तो ये है एआई स्टूडियो, बहुत सिंपल है। आप एआई स्टूडियो पे जाएंगे और ये फ्री है, ठीक है, एकदम फ्री है। तो आपको कोई भी पेमेंट करने की जरूरत नहीं है। सिंपली आप यहाँ पे आएंगे और यहाँ पे आपको कुछ यहाँ पे फीचर्स दिखेंगे। जैसे एक हो गया स्ट्रीम चैट, तो चैट में आप जाके यहाँ पे बात कर सकते हैं, अपना प्रॉम्प्ट लिख सकते हैं। कुछ बेसिक चीजें मैं आपको समझा देता हूँ जो उतनी यूजफुल नहीं है बट आपके लिए यूजफुल हो सकती है। जैसे अगर आप यहाँ पे जाते हैं, स्ट्रक्चर आउटपुट आप यहाँ पे डाल सकते हैं। ये टेम्परेचर सेट कर सकते हैं। टेम्परेचर का मतलब अगर आप देख रहे होंगे यहाँ पे ऊपर आ गया होगा। टेम्परेचर का मतलब है कि आप कितना क्रिएटिव बनाना चाहते हैं इसको, वो यहाँ पे आप सेटअप कर सकते हैं। जितना ज़्यादा आप इसको बढ़ाएंगे उतना ज़्यादा क्रिएटिव होगा, जितना कम करेंगे उतना कम क्रिएटिव होगा। गूगल एआई स्टूडियो का सबसे मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट जो फीचर है वो है ये स्ट्रीम। अब यहाँ पे आप सीधे इससे बात कर सकते हैं, इससे पूछ सकते हैं। जब आप कुछ काम कर रहे हैं उसमें ही बात कर सकते हैं, या अपना कैमरा ऑन करके आप दिखा सकते हैं और वो आपको बता सकता है। बट जो सबसे क्रेजी टूल है वो है ये शेयर योर स्क्रीन। अगर मैं शेयर स्क्रीन करता हूँ यहाँ पे और मैं इसको सेलेक्ट करता हूँ, हे कैन यू हियर मी,
Yes, I can hear you.
can you help me to build a LinkedIn profile?
I can certainly help you with that. Are you looking for tips on what to include in your LinkedIn profile?
Let me turn on the LinkedIn page. Is it visible to you, my LinkedIn page?
Yes, I can see your LinkedIn page now. What specifically would you like to work on?
Look at my profile and give me tips where I can improve.
All right, I can take a look at your profile and offer some suggestions. One thing I noticed right away is that your headline, SaaS Guy Kicking SaaS India's Largest Hindi SaaS Sales YouTube Creator, is quite packed with keywords. Is there anything specific you'd like feedback on, such as your summary, experience, or skills sections?
Yeah, I mean, go through entire my LinkedIn page and tell me that how I can change it.
Okay, looking at your About section, it's definitely unique and shows a lot of personality. However, it's quite lengthy. Have you considered shortening it to focus on the most impactful points and making it more skimmable for recruiters or potential connections?
That sounds good. But yeah, let's move on to some other tools, right? I wanted to learn how I can use napkin.ai, what I can do with this.
Napkin AI appears to be a tool that helps you create visuals from your text for business storytelling. Is there anything specific you want to know about its features or
I'm
how
going
to use it?
I'm going to sign in and you have to tell me that what should how I can use. Just train me step by step that how I can use this napkin.ai.
Okay, now that you're signed in, it looks like you have a document open titled Buyer Persona Equals the Human Inside the ICP. Do you want to create a visual based on this text?
No, I wanted to create new visual based on new text.
All right, to start with a new document, you can click the plus new napkin button in the top left corner.
Top
After
left
that,
corner. Okay, here it is. Okay, I'll new one draft with AI or blank napkin. Which one should I choose?
you can choose either draft with AI to have the AI help you get started, or blank napkin for a completely empty canvas.
Okay,
Which one do you prefer?
let's go for generate text with AI.
Got it. What prompt would you like to use to generate text? Or would you like to pick one of the suggestions, like the best practices for a hiring interview?
No, tell me something which I can use for my job interviews.
How about trying the prompt? Create a mind map of common job interview questions and effective strategies for answering them.
Can you repeat once again? Create.
Certainly, I can repeat the prompt. It is create a mind map of common job interview questions and effective strategies for answering them.
Okay, I have put the prompt. Now it's creating, right?
Yes, the AI is currently generating the mind map.
That's nice. What do you think?
Indeed, it seems to have outlined common interview questions and suggested strategies for answering them. Would you like to explore how you can customize this further?
Yeah.
For example, would you like me to help you explore how to use this mind map in an actual interview scenario?
No, I want to get the creative from this napkin.com. It just created a doc page. I don't want doc page.
I see. So you want something more visually engaging than a document. You want a mind map that is something other than a document. Is that right?
Yeah, certainly. I want that.
All right, I will rewrite the prompt to specify that the mind map should be displayed visually, not in a document format. Is there anything else I can help you with regarding the content?
Okay, let's start once again. I want to go and write a cold email for someone where I want to apply some client. How I can do
Okay,
that?
what kind of services are you offering to potential clients and what makes you stand out from the competition?
Can you check my Kicksass ka offering? Do you want to see that? This is the offering which Kicksass is offering. Look at this.
Okay. I see that Kick SaaS helps SaaS companies scale revenue without hiring a sales team by using AI powered and human led sales solutions. You offer services like email outreach, video content for sales, and AI powered sales automation. Based on this, would you like me to draft a cold email highlighting these services?
Yes, please do that.
Okay, here's a draft of a cold email. Subject: Scale your SaaS revenue without hiring a sales team. I came across company name and was impressed with something specific about the company. I'm Project from KickSaaS, and we help SaaS companies like yours scale revenue using AI powered and human led sales solutions, all without the need for a traditional sales team. We handle everything from targeted email outreach and engaging video content to fully automated sales sequences, allowing you to focus on building a great product. Would you be open to a quick chat to explore how we can help company name achieve its revenue goals? Thanks. Pratik Pandey, founder, Kick SaaS. What do you think of this draft?
That's cool, but that's not exactly. So tell me, if you would have been my client, will you reply on this mail or not?
How would you rewrite it to better resonate with a potential client?
You give me the idea. I mean, just think that you are my client. Will you reply on this email or not?
Understood. Here's an alternative approach. Imagining I'm a potential client. Subject: revolutionize your sales without the overhead. Body: hi. Your profile caught my eye, especially your expertise in mention a specific area from their LinkedIn profile. At hypothetical company name, we're always looking for innovative ways to boost our sales efforts. KickSAS's AI-powered approach to sales seems like a game changer, particularly the automated email outreach and video content creation. I'm curious to learn more about how you've helped other SaaS companies similar to ours. Would you have time for a brief call next week? Best, your hypothetical name. How does this version sound to you?
Oh, that's nice. Okay, so this was the Google AI Studio. You can do lot more with this. You just have to go share your screen, chat with this on a real time. It's just like AI agent setting on your screen, talking, sharing that what exactly you should do, how you should do. कॉपी वहां से उठा लो, ईमेल कंटेंट वहां से उठा लो एंड जाके ईमेल ब्लास्ट कर दो, लोगों को भेज दो, एंड दिस गोइंग टू चेंज द एंटायर वे you use the AI. For such more content, please subscribe this channel. Bhulna mat. See you in the next video. Take care and keep selling SaaS. Enjoy.